Hello friends, my name is Habib. Today we're going to learn how to make guessing game using C++. So alright, hashtag include iostream int main return 0. So now I'll make the guessing game. It's going to be very simple. I'll make a number called n equals to 0. And so now sin n coot n build and run no open now I'm going to build this C++ project. Whoops, I was supposed to do this. Not only that, I was supposed to write using namespace std. Normally I'm supposed to add std before this, but if I write using namespace std, that won't be necessary anymore. So now I'll input a number, and now if I input a number, it's just going to print out what the number is. This sin takes an input. So now the input, this sin, it will take an input and then put it in the variable here. And this code is just going to print out what this variable is, which is n. So now, if I want to make a guessing game, I have to write sin n. I got a code guess the number now. These two are going to be on the same line since I didn't put any end L. So now I'll put end L here so they'll be on a different line. Now I'll make a boolean called g, which stands for guessed, which currently will be equal to false. Now while exclamation mark g, which means not g, it basically means while g is equal to false, then do this. It's time to run it. Oh no, what happened? Oops. Okay. So why do I keep making a mistake? Guess the number. Now it's just going to keep saying guess the number over and over and over again. Whoa! What a terrible bug. Anyways, so now what I want, if then I make a new number. I'm going to make this new number to be, I don't know, 67. I'm going to make n2 to be 67. If then n is equal to n2, then set g to true. So now build and run this. So now I write 67, and now the program ends. I'm more efficient, so I could just write while true. This will be running forever, and if n is equal to n2, break. Break just means break. It basically just means stop this while loop. Else, if then n is greater than n2, right, guess lower, and else if n is less than n2, print guess higher. Wait, am I still recording? I'm still recording. Oh, so now let me just indent it so it can be more cleaner. Oh, I will build this and run it. So now I'll guess the number. I'll guess the number 68. Guess how? No. I was supposed to add an end L so as it will make a space. Guess the number 67. Oh no, I didn't mean to actually guess the number. Guess the number 88. Guess lower 55. Guess higher 67. There. And now you can see a bug. If I write a string, it is going to mess the program up. I need a way to check whether the input is a string or not. Now, what I'm going to do is I will sin n, quote n, break. So now, fg. Oh, it didn't put. It tells put 0. So when this is a string, it's going to output 0. So now, alright, if else if n is equal to 0, then break, then print input a number, and then continue yikes. If n equal to 0, print input a number, and then break. Oops, I'll just write and n is not equal to 0. Wait, let me just put break. Now we have finally completed our guessing game. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, ObaCode. Bye.